Hi, my name is Marisol. So this is my very first video. It's going to be a pattern review on Officially Hooks Axolotl Sweater and kind of my thoughts and opinions about it. It's a little conversation about, you know, what it was like making it as well. And I'm currently making another one. So I do want to let you guys know that her name is Officially Hooked on Instagram. I'll definitely put her Instagram down below and her Etsy store down below. The pattern cost me $8.75. I don't think that's too bad, especially because it comes with a bunch of sizes. I believe the smallest it goes to is extra small, and then the largest is, don't quote me on this, 4X. I could put it here or anywhere if that's not correct. But I did want to, you know, kind of just talk about my experience with it. Have the finished pattern, the finished product here. I really love how this came out. This is the small medium size, and this is for my little sister. It definitely fit her like a glove, so if you kind of know a person who loves Minecraft and, you know, they're kind of like a kid's XL, this is, you know, this will be perfect for them. And I just wanted to say that this pattern is so easy. Well, as for my skill set, it's definitely really easy. There's really clear instructions. The graphs that she provides are amazing. You know, I definitely recommend kind of, if you're gonna work on the graph, if you want to print it out or look at it on your laptop, because on your phone it could be really kind of hard to see. So I think, you know, definitely printing it out, or if you have like a tablet too. And I really like how this came out. My favorite part is this front post collar. I think it looks so elegant, and it's just like so pretty. I really love it. And as far as like hard time, I had a few hiccups, but I think, you know, the first time you're reading the graph, obviously it's gonna be a little challenging. And I'm currently working on a second one. It's like right here. It's a different colorway. It's the same, it's a small medium, and it's for a friend. But I do like how this color set is coming out. It's really nice. Still in the middle of it. Almost done with the like the main piece of it, and then I'll move on to the sleeves. It's really fun to work on. I really, you know, I think the second time is even better. It's a little clearer. You kind of, you know what you're doing. And so as far as, you know, recommending it, yes, absolutely. If you're a beginner, like this is gonna be your first project, I would maybe do a couple more projects beforehand and then kind of go tackle that. Just because switching colors can be a little difficult. Kind of knowing and counting rows can be a little more difficult for you. I feel like if I would have started off with something like this, it would have looked janky. So definitely, I would just, maybe if this is like your 6th or 7th project, I feel like you'll learn, you know, kind of new technique, and it's really fun. And then like Chicago winter lasts a long time. It's October 1st right now, the day I'm filming this, and it's like 85 degrees. But usually, you know, around this time it gets really cold, and then, you know, it doesn't start to warm up till like May, and even May can be pretty cold. Like I can see, you know, my little sister wearing this in May, still like early May. So as far as for making myself one, I definitely want one. I don't, maybe after October. I have a few projects I need to complete before I go ahead and make myself one. I keep telling my boyfriend that I want to make him and me matching ones. He's not really, I don't want to make him sound like a bad guy, but he's not really about the matching. I get it, whatever, it's fine. You know, we compromise a lot, so no worries. I really want to make one for myself, one for him. I think it's a really great pattern, guys. Like, this isn't a sponsored video by any means. It's just me making content. And then I do want to talk about the hooks that I use as well. I just bought these hooks. These are the new Susan Bates hooks. They're like her new Grippy Hooks. In Joann's, I mostly just shop at Joann's. They have these in the like, they're like kind of like cubbies, and there's these just like single, like they don't have any packaging or anything. It's just, it comes with a little sticker with the scanner bar. And these are some of the comfiest like hooks I've had in a while. I really love these hooks. I bought 2 more of a 5. So the pattern requires a 5 and a 6. I bought 2 5s because if you're, constantly crocheting, 5 is like an average number. Depending on what you like to make as well. For like clothing, a 5 is kind of like average. If you're, an amigurumi person, you use smaller hooks. If you like bulky, obviously you use bigger hooks. For the kind of average person, the average crocheter, a 5 is really great. And I really love these hooks, guys. Like these, I'll have to link them. I think they're like, this one was like 3 something, and this one probably was like maybe a little more expensive because it's like as you go, the more price, like as you go up in size, the more pricier they are. This is a 5 and this is a 6. They're really comfortable hooks. I 10 out of 10 recommend. Definitely for this project, these saved my life. And then yesterday I was working on the Axolotl Sweater, but I got a little burnt out, not gonna lie. And then that's not the fault of the pattern. It's definitely me, where I was just, kind of not feeling it. I was just like, okay, I'll pick this back up tomorrow. This whole morning I've been cleaning, so I finally just sat down. And I'm filming this video now, and I'm probably, after this, I'll probably edit this maybe, and then I'll work on it as well. Hopefully, in a few days, I can definitely post that to my Instagram. But yeah, leave me a comment if you have used this pattern before, if you love it, if you hated it, let me know. And then if you're thinking about it, let me know as well. So thank you so much for tuning into my first video. Oh my god, I can't believe it. So stay tuned for more crocheting projects, more crochet just content, and I'll link everything down below. And thank you so much. Please subscribe. That would, that's really cool of you to subscribe. And thank you so much. I appreciate it. If this gets 0 views, whatever. If it gets like 10 views, okay, perfect. I love it. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.